Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. OpenAI just released a new plugin called Codex Security. It's a security agent that helps security and engineering team find, confirm, and fix this vulnerability. So this is particularly useful, especially if you're vibe coding a lot and you haven't had the time to actually have a security engineer look through your code to make sure it's right. So think of this as an AI that identifies security and offer patches to it. So you can see a range of use cases from the basic of running a security scan all the way to fixing and verifying finding and writing vulnerability reports. Let's test this out to see how well it does. What you got to do here to install Codex Security is go to plugin and search security and then press install. If we go back to the OpenAI docs, you can see here this is the recommended command to use. And there's heaps of documentation on it. If you do want to use other use cases, such as write a vulnerability report, here is how a sample prompt may be. And this is all documented on ChatGPT's documentation. So here I have a local project that I'm working on, and I'm going to use the command use Codex Security security scan to scan this repository for security vulnerabilities. And I have the models turned to Sol extra high. Of course, you can switch to different models depending on your budget and your needs. And when I press send, this will basically run the command. So let's do a quick status check to see how my usage limit right now. So currently it's on 59%. So by the end of the video, we can also take a pulse check on how much usage it has used on Sol extra high. It pops up a Codex Security setup screen. You can either scan the security across the whole code base or for specific changes. I'm going to leave it for the whole code base and then on the main branch, and then you can adjust the settings depending on your requirement. So you can do a deep scan if you want, or threat model scoping guidance where it shares certain areas you want to prioritize for the security scan. I'm going to leave it as is and press start scan and see what happens. So the security job has finished running, and we can see here there is a column for title, category, severity, and status. Luckily, this project I'm working on doesn't have any high security risk, which is really good. Let's jump into one of them. So if we click view, it will detail the summary and the root cause, and then subsequent detail about it that it found to be the problem. You can close the finding if you don't believe it. You can view the source code, and then subsequently you can also patch it. So basically, patch is basically this implement the suggested fix, and you can generate patch here to fix the problem. So if you click generate patch, it will basically queue a job to generate a fix for this finding. This is how Codex Security works, which is quite good, especially if a vibe coded app and you're unsure about the security of it. It can do a complete scan or complete other security use cases, such as generating a report or doing a security scan on specific pull requests. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Codex Security and using it to improve the security of your app. Remember to comment, like, subscribe for more content on building with AI. See you next time.